release some dopamine, dopamine. Vibes, 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 vibes. I just the vibes, 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 vibes.
Remind me the pardon. I know we never have the pardon.
Everything pretty, love and respect. You want to know? Who wants to It's right on now, 2019. New year, new gear, you know. Clean heart and clean mind like defense, see? So you see the one that move from my dirty and the marks stay away. When the man has something up, tell them say nothing at all, them can't do it. Them not talk about nothing at all, them can't do it. We use them like half a day, no time. Oh, it's right. No rifle, no shotgun, no one pop. They not talk about that. So they want no, no rapping me. Level again. Put up the one that if you was in this hand shot. Make a finger like I don't know what's a one shot. No, not bowing up. Blow. Blow. Level. The hell of the champion. Don't ramp it. So I try that one more time. I'm gonna start that time. We ready again? Every sound agents, put up the one that makes you know say this song shot. Make a finger like a gun. Fire shot away, twist him and drop them shivers and bullet home. But we're trying to do that and they can't.
Come his God every day.
we can sing a girl song and say, got somebody. Very special. see there is such a thing. Call it what you will. Bad mind, grudgeful, envy, jealousy, whatever you want to call it. But there is such a reality. Where people say I go through another thing and have a problem with it for no apparent reason. More than the fact that I go through another thing. And if I don't remember one in the 2018-19, the great man still about them something, I know why. The great man Marley said, baseline, man to man, so I chose. Himself, you don't know why. But I don't know the song. The man said, your worst enemy, oh, it's not, and your best friend. I saw me eat and drink with you, and you know, say that's true. And then what? And then behind them, so. No, me not hear me, so I can know that song. Only your friend. So let's start by only. And the man said, so they go and say, oh, God. I said, oh, God. What's that? So say, I know. So don't you laugh? Oh, they don't like the truth, they can't. But that much of the song said them all can't wash. More time I wish it was so, no? You don't know about it, but it's what I never. I said no for them. Hard one put them in our pan for a couple days. Soaking up a rock side better than chase. I walk on the line and 12 o'clock when sun a blaze. To make the sun rays burn out them dirty rays. And if I say them clean but them hard one beard. Then them sip a jelly and put them in them and leave them hard colder than the hard bone. Like a cocky about it, walking like a dirty damn shit. It's a pity say. Remix, EUC, come on it. 90, they got no love for me. It's not what I'm saying, whoa. You know the responsible parents then. The responsible mothers them, you up on the set. You know the single mothers them. You know the stepmother them. Now they don't get big up and they cost them, and a storybook never cost them. But you have some good one. Look at the good stepmother. Yes. I want to know the responsible father them, not because them deserve a big up. Because they're supposed to. You know what I mean? But sadly in our reality, I'm enough man at all. But yeah man, afford you what we get, you know. And them not mind now. So you see the responsible fathers, we just pick them up just because, you know. You know what I say? Something's got to get. We get a daughter now. Oh, it means something nothing can certain. Oh, it's like something brain and it's smart and now. You know what the years. Put in the work, start coming on the shirt. Now the work can pay down to now. That is why we are. So the girls see them. It's not just an afternoon. And something's got to get. Look for the youth and all the manners. Parents are get started now. Put the system TV and roll you them. So if I'm a Patrick, the mention so party now. And if the man has served internet and they're not even a check, and it's up in my party. They don't know what to come back to now. Hear about music now. No matter where you come from, no matter what you're going through, no matter what your circumstances are. There are some things that we can all identify with. Some things we cannot relate to. So I'm share with you a story, and if you can identify with anything in the story, you just raise a hand, bust a blank, anything. You ever reach me now? Yes, man. Me not yes this man. Me can't afford to live. Oh, the boss man say, man, don't fire me. If me reach 1 second after here, so let's try. Tell me why this morning. Find the traffic office start and the gate back. Oh, everybody that drive like a Sunday. Oh, that's right. Tell me why this morning. Every line them and break. have some bridging, right? On Tuesday evening, them say, hey, you don't know Friday I pay this, so we can get that thing till Friday. And she, you know, I go, he say, yeah, man. You know, so today them phone lock off, though. I don't know, you know how wild them. Them a dodge and a skip and a dip and a go around, but when you see them that club, them a drink liquor and them a give you one. So he say, baseline, he say, oh, you drink 3 guineas a day, I've been straight if you want. So I 1 month, you don't that comes about 11 grand or you back back. And the some say the best for it and ever you need. But them always find it anytime they want that draw weed and then a bar. Some man know, them get it anyway. You're not going to do the beer. When them pick you on book, because school them say here and a bar. I true me as I never true you down the lamb. Listen, I'm on maybe 99 times and you mean you see that one time you don't have it. Them tell you say you mean. If I true me, come here and people line out them. You know what them say, come and tell you over there and them are weird. Imagine you not have on them, but them a check you for your beer and a bar. Tell me if I true that one. You know when Granny sick and dead, big money send for funeral. Last month Granny check them figure, do a medical and them a bar. Oh, it's a road out. Oh, the Bible insurance and a drive like a man. You go right house and bills and then a call mama and a bar. True story. I never get a speeding ticket. I'm in a one ride. Oh, come swag, you never give me a blind. I must see true. There's some friends there. I want the money. Until they said on Friday, I won't see them. 3 months pass and I know Friday, don't come and them a ball and say, I want you, so give me the if you get paid, they put up your hand. Not afraid, come on, man. That's a reason. So they are one of the hard work in Jamaica. She said, if you get paid, they put up your hand. So they are one of them. In 2019, one work out that I think I want to and tomorrow. Last night was a fun night, and if you want to hear something down the last fight, about 6 weeks crazy about me, I come and tell my story. Story can't put food on the table, story can't put hand on the table. Oh, last man keep the favor, you don't see me knife and table. But the woman got dead, and I feel very hard. Put the bell out to the money stay. Oh, me down for lean on the secret. I'll be 6 weeks, you don't show me. Not the baby. Yo, my brother. If you love your young dance and music, raise hands, so please. I want to say enough respect to Red Stripe for this fantastic event. Give them a round of applause, man. Yeah. Different big up yourself, pastor big up yourself, riding. What you go? What talk about this? Oh, I'm a Keezy, Mara. Sound agents, man, give them a round of applause, yes, thank you. So they say all the people that love reggae and dancehall music is our song. We have a style of our campaign, but no, don't look out that microphone. There are some people that say, play it ready. I fall in love with this music from as far as I can remember. Growing up over Kentucky over this. So I played on the road and record a spin, and as a juvenile we take up the mic and start DJ. I'm always trying to unlock everything there is to unlock about this art form when you're poor for DJ. We can DJ full tonight, let's try. I don't really like some. It's a circle and seize, bust and blank if you please. They will call police if the real thing squeeze. Look, all of the G's, the recipient. Oh, from this big no season. One way the trees are dancing. Black smoking, yeah, white teeth. Can't stop the night, but see me in the tight jeans. So we still not get that ticket when we rock with Nikes. If you see me in a me fitting, no, we are Yankees, so you are the one I know. Egyptian family like Silly and them a Chinese. I'm a Ghanaian skin, a Chinese. You want me get a pig, you look like a Guyanese anyway. Probably turn to me like first. Happy them say them mama. Signing someone say them a Ghanaians and no red stripe league. Them can't get no damn. That's why we say, wanna be make your cat to pass straight. No me them give a wife it up. Say I don't need no cheater. We can't be there for man a day. No one know the person now. Your red stripe say, listen up. Some man say I don't like. I say you know. Some man say I don't like. Some man say I don't know. They watch out, we don't just read that, so we see like we are. Them a must say it's the one we see them as a. Yes, the most of the girls got them down. They don't really have to say them on the water now. They put that jump. Woman like the and them a text and them a phone. That man say she don't know that means she don't know. Time I don't think I'm supposed to spend on spend the money. Alright, now go with the DJ phone. We look at DJ too. Raise up with the DJ. Hey, them sauce on red stripe, fella. Now don't do the one word we say. We don't have a say wrong. We don't have a say. Look at DJ now. Hey, we come from the ghetto with no money now. Turn on the band that zero water. We see politician in election. Punch up a fire and the yellow. No matter what we still have a go back. We can't forget the time we been up here vital. We keep my power enter here through with that. Anytime we're hungry, it's a what we got. What I think when I'm in picture. When we step up in a red stripe and be a liquor. When we draw down and I can't phone number. Then we go more after that and boom boom. I say we go. I say we go. We go, we go. Come on. Love and respect. I know one night up. If you enjoy the show, raise your hands up. Yeah, man, love and respect. Right about now, if you love yourself, put up a hand in the sky for yourself tonight. We say put up a hand for yourself. Always try myself. Jamaica people, I'm gonna tell them. Say we make it right now. Oh, we make it right now. If you get not talking to me, we make it right now. I'm chilling right now. Oh yes, we make it right now. I'm Thanksgiving right now, yeah. I said we make it right now. Say, oh, make the world hear you say. Oh, make the don't say that. Hey, come on, we don't yourself, how you guys are on now. Hey, follow me now. Hey, level up. Say, I'm a walk, keep coming up. Return them in on me dancing and trophy and dance. Every day you see me with the pan and next flavor. Every single ounce of effort we excel. It's all about progress. I'm the excel amateur. Looking like success, you dress well. Oh, I'm not going for them in the next spell. I'm about to send the haters I can't to get well, and them sick of it. Them see you do it well and them sick of it. But that's the notice of it. Yes, I ain't in on the duty when we're in our retirement. So I go tell them, say, break the whole world, hear you say. Always like myself, me. Oh yes, we're winning right now. If you get that job, think about we living right now. All the time I said to me, I'm chilling right now. They're winning right now. I'm Thanksgiving right now, yeah. Every day you see me on the bathing drum. And the clothing is in my life, bathing drum. If you see some of the places where we ailing from, it's just the type of place you should be trailing from. But no one in it. Every part time in it. It's a key to the words and I'm not singing on. You know that there's no difference in the matter. It's a circumstances with the rain. So I will tell them, I said, I'm me. All this time by myself, me. first and second and third, but your blessings come forth, blessings come forth. It is a miracle to make you think, shut up, make no back on gold, make no back on gold. It never break the spirit rubbing up, bro. Roll out, spelling like carbon mix up. I regular will run out, just to stay afloat. Anybody there ever made with a carbonic soap? You want to go in and shop the other half of bread? Quarter of bread. And one slice of bread. So one slice? They never used to say one slice with me. Big chill of oil. Half stick of butter. The people that move out the toothpaste and shoot the toothbrush in there. What want to be there? Brush your teeth with salt, yeah? I people them this. Hold on a little. So some people there do the carbonic soap. But it's when they reach down to a size, them fling it with. The people that move each up and 5 liters soap together and roll it up. We put your first and second, watch your blessings come. Oh yes, it is a miracle to make you think shot and end up a gun. Oh, end up a gun. So the argument say, it never break with spirit rubbing up, bro. Roll out, spending like carbon. Yes, I regular we run road, just we stay afloat, and we run Joe, just we go. And here and now, social mobility, limited scope. But mama make we know say time longer than rope. And we not frightened for not no car, we used to go with door. From food stamp and no stamp full up my passport. Hey juvenile, no put no gun in on the transport. We collect no bank now, that's at the transport. Everybody want a bus like public transport. But only for everything going like gold. Put your first and second. They watch your blessings come. Oh, blessings come forth. Oh, yes, it is a miracle to make you think shut up and end up and run forward. So no matter what you say, no bring up and bring it back, give up. Oh, bring it back. Give my favorite verse of Pimble Evanescence. Our roads are road to back road. We have to make a mark like the chart from the black road. Yes, we have to do one thing for mama back load. We steer it now, we take our black load. So level now, the one that's a man. Walk like back to command. Did my grill have to kill because we now go over the song. And now we now go on no station. And so now, I see you put to no resistance. Friends like that. Watch your blessings come forth. Blessings come forth. Oh, yes, it is a miracle to make you think shut up. They don't matter. Thank you. No more respect. And I say enjoy the rest of the evening's proceedings. I'll get home safe, you see? I mean I see you. The image I will never say. And I know you understand this already, but I remind you. It's a who got this? It's like that. We are fine. so you make David Snoop and I do that thing on a stone. All Kingston massive, I know you to the bone. I love you. See you next time. Okay. So far. Give me the same. Now, let's start keep them showing the great shot. Once again, give them a round of applause. You know, so the man producer with him too. Never stop calling him and say, oh my God, it's it. Will everybody feel the vibe? Will everybody feel the vibe? So try your best, don't do anything to kill the vibe. Oh, you see me? You know why not? Race time, we are not afraid. You know them a one.